Delinquency versus juvenile offending. Delinquency refers to a broad range of misbehaviors by minors, including minor legal violations and non-criminal activities. For example, skipping school or violating curfew. Juvenile offending specifically refers to crimes committed by minors that would be considered offenses if committed by adults. For example, theft or assault by a minor. Delinquency may result in lighter, more rehabilitative responses, such as counseling or community service. For example, a minor caught vandalizing is required to attend a youth diversion program. Juvenile offending often results in formal legal proceedings and could lead to detention or probation. For example, a minor is charged and tried in juvenile court for armed robbery. Delinquency can include status offenses, which are only illegal due to the age of the offender. For example, underage drinking is considered delinquency. Juvenile offending involves criminal acts that are unlawful regardless of age. For example, burglary committed by a 16-year-old. Delinquency is often viewed as a social issue, emphasizing prevention and rehabilitation. For example, schools implementing programs to reduce truancy and delinquent behavior. Juvenile offending is viewed as a legal issue, with a focus on accountability and justice. For example, a juvenile court sentencing a teen to a youth detention center for drug trafficking. For delinquency, interventions typically aim to correct behavior before it escalates into criminal activity. For example, a family therapy program for a minor displaying repeated delinquent behavior. For juvenile offending, interventions focus on preventing recidivism and reintegrating the offender into society. For example, a rehabilitation program for a juvenile offender convicted of a serious crime.